everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today is the last day of the year 2022, and we're going to start out the new year by making something fantastic. We're going to make Tuscan tomato soup. Mrs. Rivet gave me this book for Christmas, full of just delicious recipes that I'm going to start making. But the very first one in the soups and stews section is Tuscan tomato soup. Absolutely delicious, easy to make. You can see all the ingredients here, very simple. This book is just chock full of beautiful photographs and recipes, and anyway, it's delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, the first thing we did is we took both cans of tomatoes, put them in a bowl, and using either your hands or a potato masher, you just crush them, so it's going to be nice and chunky. We've also prepped the other stuff. We got the olive oil hot, so now we're going to add the onions, and we're going to cook those down until they get soft for a little bit. About 2 or 3 minutes of cooking. This is over medium-high heat, by the way. We're going to add the 3 finely chopped pieces of garlic, and we'll cook that for another 2 minutes. Now we've added the tomatoes to this, and we're going to bring it back to boil. And let me tell you, there are a few things that smell better than frying onions and garlic in olive oil. That's already looking good. Okay, so then we take our 1/2 ounce of basil and just coarsely chop the leaves, tear the leaves according to Stanley. And now we're going to bring that back to a boil. Now once it's started to boil, again it's still over medium-high heat, we're going to add the 16 ounces of chicken stock, and right now 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And now we're going to mix it, bring it back to a boil, turn it down to low, cover it, and let it just cook for 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes in, at number 2, simmering. It smells really good. Oh boy. Ooh, we got fog. Hold on. Alright, this smells gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in a bowl. Alright, so here we go in a bowl. That is smelling delicious. Let's go ahead and garnish it with a little bit of fresh parsley that we have here. Let's dig in and taste it. So I know that's boiling hot, but let me tell you, this smells really good. Of course, the key is those quality Italian tomatoes. But wow, very simple to make. I just checked it off camera. The seasoning was fine. No need to add any more salt, pepper. But let's go ahead and try this spoonful. Oh my. Stanley was right. He said his grandmother said that the 40 minutes of simmering was key to bring out the sweetness of the tomato and take away the acid. That is correct. And oh, all that beautiful garlic in there. There's only 3 cloves, but oh, that came out nicely. That is gorgeous. That fresh basil in there, it's magic. This is one of those dishes that it's way better than the sum of its parts. Highly recommended, people. Thanks for watching.